Hello everybody, Mark Stock here, co-founder of BigIron Auctions, here to tell you about an upcoming sale on BigIron.com that you won't want to miss. Larry Knierim of Findlay, Illinois is retiring from farming and will have 24 items for sale on BigIron's August 25th online auction. Check out his Case IH 2366 AFS two-wheel drive combine, along with his 2008 Case IH 2206 corn head and his Case IH 1020 platform header. Also for sale are two John Deere mechanical front tractors, including a John Deere 8300 and a John Deere 4850. He also has three two-wheel drive tractors, a John Deere 8200, a John Deere 4020, and a 1950 Farmall H. In addition, there's a Case IH 900 Series 12-row 30 planter and two grain trucks, as well as tillage equipment, grain carts, and augers. On August 19th, there will be an open house for Larry on the farm with a free lunch provided by BigIron. The equipment will be available to inspect that same day from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Again, this is the Larry Knierim retirement sale on August the 25th on BigIron.com.